Guys, welcome to the online developer channel. In this video I show you how to make the voice interface to website using JavaScript. I show you the demo. Click add command and allow. Select coffee.
You selected coffee. Give the next command to perform.
Remove coffee.
You removed coffee. Give the next command to perform.
Like this you can create the voice interface to website using JavaScript. You create the simple HTML file speech recognition.html and you create the select element to select the voice list, and to show the message you create the span element with ID naming it a message, and you create four checkboxes, input checkbox, that one labeling with the coffee, tea, Horlicks, boost, and you start writing your JavaScript within the script tags. You create three variables: voice list, txt input, and the button speak. I have created one more thing here, like this input, created the input text here, given the id txt input, and the button speak with the button id. And for to synthesize the speech, we create a window.speech synthesis with a variable tds. You create the voice empty array. Here is the function get voices. This append the child list item will always add the element, will add the elements to the voice array, voice list. You can add the click event, like when the button speak is event is occurs, like I show you now. Style display. You save this. When the user presses the button speak, to speak variable will hold the input value given in the input text field, and the selected voice name will be 0th index. And to speak we make use of the method speak. Now I save this and you refresh the page. You can see here, wait, I give the name to my button field, speak, and save this and refresh the page, and you give the input hello world. Click speak.
You selected coffee.
Oh, something missed here. Wait, I show you. Txt input to button voice, btn speak. Oh, save this and you refresh again and hello world.
Hello world.
It says hello world. Okay, save the file. To recognize the user speech or user command, what he to check the input checkbox like coffee, tea, and any other things, we the speech recognition resides in the user browser, that is WebKit speech recognition for Chrome web browser, and speech recognition for Firefox browser. And this speech grammar list will give the list of the grammars that is understood by your browser. The grammar JS GF v1.0 grammar, and you create the recognition object by using the new keyword speech recognition, and by creating the one more variable speech recognition grammar list that as the object, and Recognition grammars will hold all the grammars list, and the recognition language used here is English, US English. We set the value of enter IM results to false. When the user stops giving his command on the result, the recognition.on result will be invoked. This function will take the command what the user has given, and we have selected the variable. We have selected the content message in the variable message. Now message.text content will hold the voice input given by the user. The command will be event results, that will be the first index element, and we transcript it. After converting the command to the lowercase, we check if the user has given the command select coffee. The input checkbox coffee will be checked to true, and we take the value of the txt and we call the function read text, and we pass the argument this txt. Here I have written a read text function. I show you. This is the read function what I have written. It will read the txt. I have given the various command like select city, not select city, this is select tea, select Horlicks, select Boost, and to remove coffee, within this else if condition, I will check the input to false, means I will remove that selected input, and for remove tea and remove Horlicks and remove Boost. And when the user stops giving his comments, the recognition stop will be invoked. And if in case any error occurs like network error, this message will be displayed. You can start recording with using the function recognition.start. Here I have called document.button give command. This button, this start recording will be invoked when the user presses this button but give command. The voice operated websites like using JavaScript. You will get the source code in the GitHub. I have shared the link in the description. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you.